So today I'm going to be reviewing my Stanley 40-ounce tumbler. This is in the almond rose color. I actually don't usually pick up tones like this color, but I could not deny this. This is absolutely beautiful, just like the soft color that it has. This doesn't come with it, but I just put that on the bottom so it doesn't clink like on the table. I just don't like that sound. This is excellent. This is huge, so I'm definitely going to be drinking more water throughout the day. It just feels like excellent quality. This is actually my first Stanley tumbler that I've ever gotten, so I will say I am very impressed and I think that I'm hooked. It does have this soft grip right here, so I can tell that it's going to be comfortable to carry either in your left or in your right hand. I just like that. So it also has this top right here where it has 3 different ways that you can drink it. So you can either put the straw in it, you can take it out, you can turn it so you can drink hot, say like hot liquids, like a coffee or something, and you can also flip it the other way to close it, and you can also remove this all together. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and drink it with the straw. That's what I think that I'm gonna like best. It just feels very durable. The straw's big as well. Great thing is also it is stainless steel, so that's going to be easy to clean and not, you know, carry like a lot of smells or anything. You can put this in the dishwasher, and also this fits in my cup holder. So I really do like I do like that, because I've noticed with a lot of big tumblers I haven't been able to put that in there. And then this one, this is just really great. I like this. Another thing I like about this is it's you can have hot and cold liquids in here, and they have tons of accessories for the Stanley cup. So that is another reason why I got one of these. So yeah, definitely a lot of options there. I'm just really excited about this cup. So my honest review is I am impressed.